Koalas are not social animals. In fact, they're highly territorial and will actively drive other koalas out of their range. Their territory consists of trees that provide both food and shelter, which they patrol, marking with scratches and oil from scent glands on their chests. A message to other koalas that says, "I'm large and in charge." During the breeding season, the dominant males bellow loudly. These calls are intentionally deep. The low frequency means they can be heard several kilometers away, signaling the male's size to their potential mates and rivals. Dominant males will repeatedly mate with females who are in season, and they will aggressively drive off other interested parties, rushing, biting, and scratching them. Sometimes even pulling them from their tree.